Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. What's good, beautiful people? This is Meggy and thank you so much for stopping by. It's currently 9 p.m. and someone has not eaten since morning. Guilty as charged. But anyway, I want to make some food. You know, something y'all don't know about me is that I'm a good chef. I trust my cooking. You should trust it too. I bought some chicken. Chicken is like my favorite food, so that is exactly what I'm going to be making today. And I have some rice here. So I'm going to make some chicken and rice. Yeah, and I have my glass of wine. Nice. Let's begin this vlog. They look crazy. This hut, is it a hut? Anyway, I don't care. This is the chicken that I'm going to be making. I'm about to marinate it. We have some garlic, tomato paste, carrots, tomatoes, salt, paprika, black pepper. This is rice and that is my oil. It's the ghetto, but please don't mind. The other side is messy because I've been doing so much schoolwork throughout the day. And also, this is what I'm going to be using. For those who don't know what that is, it's a coil. I live in a hostel, so that is what we use when cooking here in the hostel. The good thing about it is that the school provides, but the downside to it is that we have to share. So when one person is cooking, you have to wait. Don't mind my background. That is how you know I'm a serious student. Am I? First things first, we marinate the chicken. I bought chicken thighs. So what I do is I just slice bits of it. I'm gonna add some pepper. No, that was paprika. I like spices. This is garlic. Massage the spices into the chicken. You marinate. You marinate. I'm gonna leave this for a couple of minutes and then we'll cook it. So, chicken aside, marinating. Let me go wash my hands. Guys, welcome to our kitchenette. It's at night, people are asleep. This is our kitchen and this is what we're going to work with. So the coil uses electricity. It will turn red, that is to show the heat. So I'm gonna be making boiled rice and then the onions, garlic, dhania. This one is for me to snack on. And carrot, tomato paste. The chicken is still marinating there. Let's cook. is ready. My chicken is ready. My plate is clean. Time to get eating. We have come to the best part of this video. Tasting. Wow. The spices have blended in so well. Let's try the chicken. Is it juicy as it looks? It's hot. Okay, here's a piece of the chicken. Let's see. Guys, it's so soft. Wow. Wow. This is so nice. I love it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, comment, like, share, subscribe. Yes, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next vlog. This is Vlogmas day 4, I think. And if you try out this recipe, tag me so that we know I'm the plug. Goodbye guys, have a good night. It's night time for me. Bye guys.